This is a new agenda.
Oh my God,
My name is Jali.
This is your boy Ali from D Trash.
And keep watching Artist Cafe.
Alright guys, so let's do this real quick. I'll be taking you through the steps to get monetized on YouTube. So probably maybe you've gotten 1,000 subscribers and you've also reached 4,000 watch hours. So you are left with the processes involved in applying for monetization. So stick and stay and watch this tunes, okay? Follow these steps to get your channel approved in the YPP program. So let's go now. So first of all, you have to, you can see step 1, that's to review partner program terms. So as you can see, it is stated that read and agree to the YouTube partner program terms. This is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. So you click on the start button. So what you are seeing on the screen is the whole terms. The terms between you, the publisher, and YouTube. So if you are entering into any new organization, basically there will be rules and regulations. So you and YouTube, this whole stuff are the rules and regulations or the terms and conditions signed between yourself and YouTube. So you make sure you click on I accept YouTube partner program terms. So take this. Then after taking, you click on accept terms. All right, so you wait for it to load. And this is what happens. So you can see done. You get it? You can find done. That means you've agreed to the partner program. Then we move to the step 2. That is sign up for Google Adsense. Google Adsense is the main issue. Once you sign up to Google Adsense, you are going to have a personal account. Okay, and to know this, the email that you use in creating this YouTube channel, you have to log on to adsense.com. okay, then you put in your credentials, then you will surely have all the necessary stuff. So click on start, then you come here. You are going to find 3 main options. 1, yes, I have an existing account. 2, no, I don't have an existing account. 3, I don't know. So in case you already have an AdSense account, then you have to use yes, I have an existing account. But in this case, you are a newbie, you are a new YouTuber, so you have to click on no, I don't have an existing account. Then from there you click on continue, and it will bring you to this page. This is where you will have to input your email and password. So this is the email I'm using for the YouTube and the AdSense. So there we come. So it will bring you to your AdSense page, So by default, you are going to find your YouTube channel details here. That's where they've written your website. Then you select the country. Okay, so here I'm in Ghana, or the person I'm doing this for is from Ghana, so I have to look for Ghana. If you don't use Ghana and you use any other country, that is where Google AdSense will be sending you the 6-digit code through mail, through post office, your post office box. Yeah, then you come down here, you click on yes, I have read and accept the agreement. Make sure you read through the agreements and you comply to all necessary stuff. So here, if you want to receive a performance suggestion or not, you just have to select it. So this time, yes. You come down here, you click on create account. So there you have it. Now basically, or by default, YouTube will give you your AdSense details. So we've approved. There's the details right here and all the necessary stuff. It's right there. You submit here and you have to submit your details. All right, so you can see that step 2, they've written in progress. So YouTube is going to go through your credentials and you have to expect feedback in about 3 days to 7 days. YouTube will send you a confirmation message if they have approved your monetization.